Well, let's think about filling the sketchbook. We've got a lot of choice about what we can put in it, and really it's whatever you can think of, and wherever you need to use it, at home or on a visit, it's there to help your thinking processes. Okay, to start off a page in the sketchbook, just as an example, let's think we might have something in front of us, and I've got, looking through the window here, a tree. So I'm going to do a kind of quick drawing of its main features. This is what you can call drawing from reference material or observed drawing. There's a lot of different names get thrown about, but it's basically looking at something and taking the information from it. Now I don't have this. This information is coming from my translation of what I can see. I'm not making this up from imagination, and that's an important element. We'll get on to drawing methods and